Hello everyone, I'm Master Walter and welcome to Meribit Education Center Mathematics online class. So our lesson for today is all about volumes of prisms and cylinders. So in finding the volumes of a prism and cylinder, we use the formula V is equal to A times H. A is the area of base, H is the height or length. So for example, we have here a cube. So a cube has a height, a length, and a width. And they are all equal since a cube has an equal size. So to find the volume of a cube, we use the formula V is equal to L raised to the power of 3. And we also have here a cuboid. So a cuboid also have a height, a width, and a length. So to find the volume of a cuboid, we use the formula V is equal to W times L times H. We also have here a triangular prism. So a triangular prism has a height which is the big letter H, and it has a triangular base with a height which is the small letter h and a base which is the small letter b. So to find the volume of a triangular prism, we use the formula V is equal to 1 over 2 times small letter b times small letter h times big letter H. And we also have here a pentagonal prism. So a pentagonal prism has a height which is the big letter H, and on its base we could form a small triangle, and this triangle has a height which is the small letter H and a base which is the small letter B. So we could form here 5 small triangles since it is a pentagonal prism, and a pentagon has 5 sides. We could use it in the formula to find the volume, which is V is equal to the quantity of 1 over 2 times small letter b times small letter h times 5 times big letter H. We also have here a hexagonal prism. So a hexagonal prism also has a height which is the big letter H, and on its base we could form a small triangle who has a height which is the small letter h and a base which is the small letter b. So we could form here 6 small triangles since it is a hexagonal prism, and a hexagonal prism has 6 sides. We could use it in the formula to find the volume, which is V is equal to the quantity of 1 over 2 times small letter b times small letter h times 6 times big letter H. So now, let's answer this problem. So the question is, how much volume of water you will need to fill half of the pool? So the pool has a dimension which is 9 meter by 6 meter by 4 meter. So the choices are A. 108 m raised to 3, B. 107 m raised to 3, C. 109 m raised to 3, and letter D. 105 m raised to 3. So let's see the solution. So the formula for volume is V is equal to L times W times H, which is the length, width, and height. So L is equal to 9 meter, W is equal to 6 meter, H is equal to 4 meter. So let's solve for the volume. So V is equal to 9 meter times 6 meter times 4 meter, which is equal to 216 m raised to 3. So we have now the volume of the pool. And to find the volume of half of the pool, we use the formula V times 1 over 2. That is equal to the quantity of 216 times 1 over 2, which is equal to 108 m raised to 3. So the correct answer is letter A. Now let's go to another problem. So the problem is the total surface area of a cube is 486 centimeter raised to 2. Find the volume of the cube. So the choices are letter A, 729 centimeter raised to 3, letter B, 738 centimeter raised to 3, letter C, 749 centimeter raised to 3, and letter D, 724 centimeter raised to 3. So let's see the solution. So the formula for volume is V is equal to L raised to 3, since they are all equal size. So L is equal to unknown. So we need to find the value of L to find the volume of the cube. So surface area is equal to 486 centimeter raised to 2. So to find the L, we use the formula SA is equal to 6 times L raised to the power of 2 times 6, since a cube has 6 sides. Then we substitute 486 to surface area. So it will become 486 centimeter raised to 2 is equal to 6 times the quantity of L raised to 2. Then it will become 486 centimeter raised to 2 over 6 is equal to L raised to 2. Then L raised to 2 is equal to 81 centimeter raised to 2. We will square root the both sides to find the value of L. So L is equal to 9 centimeter. So we have now the value of L, so we could find now the volume. So to find the volume, we use the formula V is equal to L raised to 3. So V is equal to 9 centimeter raised to 3. That is V is equal to 9 centimeter times 9 centimeter times 9 centimeter, which is equal to 729 centimeter raised to 3. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay, now let's go to volumes of cylinders. So a cylinder looks like this. So a cylinder has a radius, which is the small letter R, and it has a height, which is the small letter h. So to find the volumes of cylinders, we use the formula V is equal to pi r raised to 2 times small letter h. Okay, so let's answer another problem. So the problem is, a can of juice have a diameter of 8 cm and a height of 14 cm. Find its volume. So a cylinder has 14 cm and a diameter of 8 cm, and pi is equal to 3.14. So the choices are letter A, 702.38 centimeter raised to 3, letter B, 704.46 centimeter raised to 3, letter C, 703.36 centimeter raised to 3, and letter D, 705.37 centimeter raised to 3. Now let's see the solution. So the formula for volume is V is equal to pi r raised to 2 times h. So pi is equal to 3.14, and to find the r, it is equal to d over 2 since the diameter is given. So it will be equal to 8 centimeter over 2, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So r is equal to 4 centimeter and h is equal to 14 centimeter. So let's solve for the volume. So V is equal to 3.14 times the quantity of 4 centimeter raised to 2 times 14 centimeter, which is equal to 703.36 centimeter raised to 3. So the correct answer is letter C. That's all for this video presentation. I hope you learned something. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.